Introduction and Hook. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll discuss a fascinating topic: how is artificial intelligence, or AI, different from human intelligence? AI is everywhere, in our phones, cars, and homes. But how does it compare to the unique intelligence we humans possess? Is AI smarter than us? Or is it just a helpful tool? I am Pranab Kishore Prehraj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the key differences and why both types of intelligence are important. What is intelligence? Intelligence kya hai? Before we dive into the differences, let's understand what intelligence means. Human intelligence refers to learning, thinking, solving problems, and adapting to new situations. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, simulates these abilities in machines. It's created by humans to perform specific tasks, like recognizing faces or playing chess. Key insight. The big difference? Human intelligence is natural and emotional, while AI is artificial and programmed. Learning and adaptation. Shikhna and anukulan. Humans learn in many ways, through experience, observation, and even trial and error. For example, when a child learns to ride a bike, they rely on both practice and instinct. AI, however, learns through data. This is called machine learning. AI is fed thousands of examples and trained to recognize patterns. The difference? Humans can learn without prior examples, while AI needs a lot of data to learn and adapt. Example. Think of AI like a student who needs to study every page of a book, while a human might guess the answer using logic or intuition. Creativity and innovation. Rachnatmakta and Navachar. One major difference is creativity. Humans can imagine new ideas and create art, music, and stories. AI, however, can only generate content based on what it's been taught. For example, an AI can compose music in the style of Mozart, but it can't create a completely new genre of music like humans can. Key insight. AI is great at mimicking patterns but cannot truly innovate like humans. Emotional intelligence. Bhavatmak buddhi. Humans are emotional beings. We laugh, cry, and form deep connections with others. This is called emotional intelligence. AI, on the other hand, can simulate emotions but doesn't feel anything. For example, a chatbot might say, "I'm sorry to hear that," but it doesn't truly understand sadness. Example. Imagine sharing a personal story with a friend versus talking to a virtual assistant. Your friend empathizes, but the AI just responds logically. Decision-making. Nirnaya lena. When it comes to decision-making, humans often rely on a mix of logic and emotion. AI, however, makes decisions purely based on data and algorithms. This makes AI very efficient but also limited. For example, a human might choose a job based on passion and financial needs. AI would select the option with the best statistical outcome, ignoring emotional factors. Key insight. AI is excellent for logical decisions, but human intuition is still unmatched. Limitations of AI. AI ki simaएं. Let's talk about what AI can't do. Common sense. Humans understand basic things without explanation. AI struggles with this. Morality. Humans have ethics and values. AI can only follow programmed rules. Adaptability. Humans can handle new situations intuitively, while AI needs to be trained. Example. AI might excel at chess but fail at understanding a simple joke because it lacks context and common sense. Strengths of AI. Now, Let's celebrate what AI does best. Speed. AI can process data in seconds that would take humans years. Precision. AI doesn't make errors due to fatigue or emotions. Scalability. AI can handle massive amounts of information simultaneously. Example. AI in medicine can analyze thousands of X-rays in minutes, helping doctors save lives. Key insight. AI is a powerful tool that enhances human capabilities, not a replacement for them. The future of AI and human intelligence. AI and human intelligence का भविष्य. The future isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about humans and AI working together. AI will handle repetitive and data-heavy tasks, freeing humans to focus on creativity, emotions, and innovation. The key is balance, using AI to complement our strengths, not overshadow them. Example. Think of AI as a tool in your toolbox, making your work easier and more efficient. Key insight. The future is collaboration, not competition. Conclusion. Nishkarsh. To sum up, AI and human intelligence are different but complementary. AI is fast and logical, while humans are creative and emotional. What are your thoughts on this topic? Share your views in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.